Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Today we are going to be installing a brand new J-Bugs branded 34 picked -3 carburetor onto a 73 Volkswagen thing that has a 1600 cc dual port engine and a dual port intake manifold. Okay, this carburetor, most of these are running about $190. This one, which J-Bug swears by, was running $66. So if you're looking for a cheaper way to do this and still have reliability and so on, this might be your answer. So I tried it out for $66. In the box, it came with the carburetor, which also has this little cover, which is super helpful for keeping stuff out of your engine. That's actually fantastic. It comes with the gasket you're going to need. I've got 2 nuts right here. I don't know if you can see that. 2 nuts. It also comes with what appears to be another jet and maybe a idle screw, something to that effect. And that's what you get for $66, which is all you really need, from what I understand. So this carburetor is part number 113129031 KJB. Okay? This up here, it's DOS parts. Maybe you guys can see that or zoom in on it right there. That is what you're looking for. Again, a $66 option. I got this on sale. I think normally they're I think like $80 or something like that, $80. So you also get 2 studs that I've already threaded into here. Basically, this is very simple. I'm going to show you how to put this on, and then we'll kind of go from there. So let me move the camera, and I will get you right where you need to be. Alright, so what we're going to do first, we're going to take the carburetor, figure out the orientation. I believe it's like this. And we're going to go ahead and gasket first. Gasket here. Then we're going to set this thing down. I try to lock the back end first. That's kind of what you got. Carburetor is sitting on here. Now there's a lot more to this, obviously, than what I'm doing, but I'm not hooking up fuel lines. I'm also not hooking up any electronics at the moment, choke, this kind of thing. What I am going to hook up is the nuts that hold this on. We're going to get them on. And I don't want to get any of this too tight or too crazy yet, because I'm putting the alternator kit on, and I want to make sure it mounts right here. I want to make sure I have clearance. If I need to do anything crazy, I can do it. So, I'll give it a little snug so you don't have any problems. It's reversed. Yeah, I got the wrong wrench. Hold on. Whoa. So these nuts here to be a 12 millimeter. We're just going to snug them down. I want to make sure they're snug. You don't want any vacuum leaks or anything like that. I made the same mistake twice now. Okay, so as of right now, carburetor is installed. There will be many other things. I have vacuum ports I have to figure out here. I've got the choke, electronic choke here, so on and so forth. But for an unboxing and a just simple bolt-on, there you go. This is a 34 picked J-Bugs branded carburetor going on my 1973 Volkswagen Thing. This motor is a 1600cc dual port with the dual port intake manifold. And yeah, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching another episode on Brown's Rod and Custom. I just want to give you guys some content and some knowledge of what we're doing and how we do it, and try to help you guys out the best I can. These videos will get better. We're editing and so on, but I wanted to just give you as much content as I can. Some of the stuff that we've done so far, I think has helped you guys quite a bit, or at least you guys have said it has. And this is some of the more technical stuff. I mean, it's a Volkswagen. There's nothing like crazy technical, but this is something that you got to kind of know how to do. The plan is to do another video on this once we start the car and we tune it. I'll show you how to tune this, okay? And get everything, you know, where it needs to be once we get this thing running. So anyway, stay tuned on our engine build series here. Hopefully in the next couple days our clutch and starter will arrive and we can get everything done and get this thing fired up. So hope you have a great morning, and we will talk at you soon. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom.